Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be doing the unboxing of the Razer Basilisk lick balls. I don't know. The basil lick. You like licking basil? Okay. You like licking balls? I don't know. I'm fine if you lick balls. It's absolutely fine. So in the box, it's the box, and well, if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It helps to get out there and it helps me so much. With your man, with your man, with your mom, with your dad. Wait. So, let's start the unboxing. I have nowhere to put my phone. My God, this is such a bad angle. That's what your mom said. Okay guys, so you can see this perfectly. You're leaning up my jellyfish lamp thingy. So guys, this is the box. So that's the tab bit just there. Let's get ready. So that's where you open it. You have to get some scissors or something. I think it's already been done. Oh, I had to rip it. I'm sorry. So, doesn't see this over. Oh, put it down a bit. So this bit slides out like this. Doesn't see perfectly yet. And then there's a little tab. You pull that out. Oh, I put it the wrong way around. Wow, that's me. You've got some just paperwork here. And then you've got the box, of course. Just the Razer box. I ripped it so it's set up. I paid £55 for this on Amazon. Link in the description. UK link and the American link will be in the description. So, oh, the mouse looks sick. Looks absolutely sick. So let's get this out. How do I get this out? So this bit just here to this. I don't care what you do, you can break it out. I don't give a shit. No matter what, his channel's dead now, honestly. Oh, there's a tab here the whole time. Wait, where's the tab? Oh, it's just here. Oh, Discord's calling me. Somebody's calling me. Thanks for ruining my video, bitch. This is my second try recording this video. What's it? Yeah. Oh, this feels quality. It's nice. Stop trying to call me. I'm making a video. I know I don't do much. I do actually quite a bit. Video every week, guys, if you're wondering. Well, I'll try and get a video out as soon as I can. There'll be a keyboard video, getting a new gaming keyboard soon, and that'll be in about, oh, this is metal, that's quality. In about 2-3 weeks, so get ready for that one, you know. What? Your mum? Oh wait, what? But then she's like, oh, the damn, you know. Never mind. So, oh, that actually is already a good button. I can use that for my building keys. So, I play Fortnite a lot, just so you guys know. Here, I'll put the camera down. There we go. So it's like quite a nice mouse for like gaming and stuff. So it comes with these two spare ones if you want to have it longer, you know, the girl likes it longer. So you have this one here, and this one here. So you also have these instruction things, which, oh, stickers. You want to use these, mate, or keep them, whichever you want. They're so beautiful, just like your mum. Don't get offended, don't worry. I hope I don't rip them. I really hope I don't rip them. I'll be pissed. I'll be so pissed, guys, if I break them. I'll be so pissed. I'll be so pissed if I break them, you know. It's ice, you know. So this is my old mouse. Piece of fucking shit, honestly. Sorry about that. I need to unplug that. Basically for the Razer sticker. I don't even know what to, I'm going to put it on my PC. On each side. That's because your mom, she like dick. Wait, what? No, she likes poo. She likes poo dick. So, I hope the video's not ending yet. This would be a long video. Oh my god. Should I put it on the no, because mouse lights up. So I'm gonna. Yeah, I've already bent it for God's sake. As she said. Please let this video go viral, like some of my others. As we reached 100,000 channel views, and I didn't say anything about it. I'm sorry, guys. Just been a bit busy with Fortnite. I'm gonna be honest. Fortnite is what I've been busy with, but I'll try and upload more. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. My friend was asking me at college why I've not been uploading. I've been saying I'm just lazy. Nah, it's not like. Well, I feel like YouTube's not the thing for me. I don't know why. Oh my god, I fucking hate stickers. This is in an art channel. I just didn't turn into one. So. What the fuck? What it says if this video's made for kids, I don't know what to put. Because I'm swearing and shit, but, well, is it there? I see. But I'll put it is. Because you know what? A kid's under 18, you know, so. 17-year-old. I'm 14. 15, sorry. Or said the wrong thing. There we are. I didn't put it on right. Fuck me. And suck me, bitch. Hey. I ain't got a clue what's behind this. Hey. So now the new mouse. We've been recording 6 fucking minutes. 7 minutes now. This is a long cable, guys. Oh, this is really good. This thing here. This is really good. That's good. Thank you, Razor. So now I'm going to plug it in at the back. I think this is at the back. So let's follow this mouse here. Let's have a guess. Let's take a random guess. This one. I'm going to get this here, like that. Someone dies if it goes off. No, those are speakers. Wow, I'm going to set that all up again. Oh my god. Nope, that was my, that's my, I don't even know what that was. But that was my internet, so it must be this one. There we are. I'm about to plug it back in like it was one right in. Hey, don't hurt my razor. I'll fuck you up, mate. Look. Oopsies. That's the old one. Doesn't matter. See, no one cares about the old one. Shut up. Try to record. Dude, I'm bad at recording this.